Okay, good morning, students. Today, let us continue the exercise 2.4, seventh problem. See, it reads like, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square, which means, see, here ABCD is a square. One triangle is equilateral triangle is described on one side of a square, that is ABE triangle ABE. Once described on one side of a square is equals to half of the area of equilateral triangle. Half of the area of equilateral triangle described on one side of its diagonal. Described on one side of its diagonal. Here BD is the diagonal. So, on this diagonal, triangle BDF is constructed. How many triangles are there? Triangle ABE and triangle BDF. BDF is described on the diagonal BD. Then AB is described on the side of square AB. So, let us solve this question. Now, let side of a square ABCD be X. Okay. Now, side of a square X. Okay. Area of square, that is equals to side square, that is X square. Now, in triangle ABD, angle A equals to 90 degree. Therefore, BD square equals to AB square plus AD square equals to AB square plus AD square. AB means X square plus AD, that is also X square. Because we have considered side of a square equal X, that implies AB equals to BC equals to AD equals to CD equals to, that is X. So that implies, that means all sides are equal in a square. So all sides magnitude will be X. Okay. Area of square is not necessary. You can find out if you not. That is, in triangle ABD, angle A equals to 90, BD square equals to AB square plus AD square X square, that is 2X square. Therefore, BD diagonal equals to square root of 2X square. Square root of 2 remains same. Square root of X square X. So, BD diagonal, BD equals to 2 root X. Now, side of A, that an equilateral triangle will be same. X, 2 root X, root 2X, root 2X facts. Now, area of BDF equals to square of the corresponding sides. Here its corresponding side is AB square. Here its corresponding side is BD square. So this one AB square, then BD square, that is equals to x square divided by 2 into x square. Square cancel, root 2 square means 2, that is equals to 1 by 2. That is equals to area of triangle AB divided by area of triangle BDF equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the suitable answer for this problem. So write down and draw the diagram neatly. See, now there is BD square we have calculated, that is root 2x. Area of triangle AB, area of triangle BDF, this much we have got. Then, therefore, area of triangle ABE equals to ABE divided by area of triangle BDF 1 by 2 by cross multiplication. Hence, statement is true. Hence, statement is true. This one is the see, this one is the last verbal problem. Yes. Next questions are tick the correct answer and justify. Question number 8. A, B, C and BD are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. The ratios of the areas of triangles A, B, C and BDE. Yes, okay. Next, second one, ninth one. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. The areas of triangles are in the ratio 2:3, 4:9, 81:16, 16:81. Okay. Now write noise. Question number 8. See, this one is like multiple choice question. They have given 4 answers. We have to get which one is the correct. According to the statement of the problem, ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles means all sides are equal, such that D is the midpoint of BC. The ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BD is, they ask the ratio of triangle ABC and BD. In triangle ABC, let AB equals to BC plus side B x. Therefore, AB equals to BC equals to AC equals to x. Next. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, BD equals to CD, that is equals to BC by 2, which is equals to x by 2. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, BD equals to CD, that is equals to x by 2. We know two equilateral triangles are similar. Therefore, by statement, from which statement is similarity. Triangle ABC similar to triangle BDE. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BDE equals to BC square by BD square. BC square by BD square. BC, that is x square, divided by BD, x by 2 square, which is equals to x square divided by x square by 4. So that implies x square into 4 by x square. X square gets cancelled. That is equals to 4 divided by 1. Therefore, ratio implies 4:1. Ratio implies 4:1. See which option is correct. See. Third option. Okay. Now write down. You have to draw the diagram. Then only. Next, read. Next question. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio four is to 9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio Okay. Now let us draw the diagram according to the question. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. The sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4 is to 9. That is 4 is to 9. Now, in the figure, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADE equals to BC square by DE square. BC square by DE square. Therefore, 9 square divided by 4 square, that is 81 divided by 16. Therefore, triangle ADE divided by triangle ABC equals to 16 is to 81. See, each question is 16 is to 81. Fourth one, 16 is to 81. Fourth one is the correct answer. You may also write area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC like that, 81 by 16. Why you may have reciprocated? Because as given the ratio 4 is to 9, that means first you have to consider this triangle, then the main triangle. Therefore, I have reciprocated triangle ADE divided by triangle ABC, 16 divided by 81. This one is the correct answer. Okay. Tomorrow we continue the next exercise, that is which one? 2.5. 2.5.